Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can log in into your Meesho account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is tap open your Meesho app. Once your Meesho gets logged in, you will end up in this kind of page where you need to click on the account option. So once you click on the accounts, you can see the sign up button on the top of the screen. So to log in, you need to simply tap on it and you will be redirected to this page. So to log in into your account, all you need to do is type in your number and fill in the OTP generated, or simply tap in with the sign in with WhatsApp account option. So if you tap on sign in with WhatsApp, you will be redirected to this page automatically. So here, starting a chat, all you need to do is type in sign me into Meesho and send it to this number. So this will give you a link which you need to simply tap on and you will get logged in into your account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.